I hope you are doing well. Today's video will be another Dutch pour. I'm gonna be using and trialing my new hairdryer from Drew Barrymore. I'm very interested to see how it's behaving and how it's moving the paint, so I'm looking forward to this. What I did, I covered my edges with masking tape, so I'm looking for like a clean finish at the end. And the colors I'm going to be using today is sky blue, Prussian blue, mauve, lilac, and gold. And my base will be just white. As you could see, all my paints are from Art Studio, and my pouring medium was also from Art Studio. It's finished now, so I will have to buy a new one. Okie dokie, without further ado, if you're gonna like this video, please leave me thumbs up. Do not hesitate to drop a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's get into the video. So I definitely put too much paint, but I'm not mad at what it came out. The hairdryer is amazing. It's just doing what it's supposed to be doing. I just need to have like practice of moving the air and hairdryer itself, but yeah, I'm not mad at the result. Obviously I want to touch it. I want to probably move a little bit paint over here, but I'm scared that if I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna ruin everything. I'm looking at the bubbles. I don't know. I will probably have to torch it, but I don't want to torch it as well because I might have lots of cells. I don't want to torch it, but I'm gonna torch it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. This is what we want. Oh yeah, this is what I like. Yeah, it turned out amazing. I love the color combination. Yeah. I love it. You let me know what you think by leaving a comment, and yeah, you can share this video if you like it, and do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you. Bye.